Okay, now we are going to study regarding the problem number 5. Sometimes in a question paper they'll give some items and we need to show their treatments, how they need to be treated. Maybe it should be recorded either in income or expenditure account or else in balance sheet. So we need to show the treatment of this particular item. So let us see the problem now. Show how you would deal with the following items in the financial statement of a club. So they have given trial balance and some of the items they have given, and here we need to identify where these particular items will be recorded. First one is a prize fund. We know that any fund which is given for specific purpose means it is considered as a capital item, right? So this capital item need to be recorded where? It should be recorded under liability side of the balance sheet. So what is the amount? They have given amount as 80,000. So it should be recorded under balance sheet liability side. Then see, related to this particular fund there are some adjustments or items. Second one, see, prize fund investment. That means what? The fund which they have collected or prepared, that particular fund amount they have invested. So investment is kind of asset. So this particular item is now asset, but here we need to make the adjustment, right? So all these item will appear under liability side and changes or treatment need to be made. Either these items need to be added or to be deducted. So prize fund investment is what? This is a kind of benefit that we are getting. So this particular item is recorded under asset side. Then income from prize fund investment. That means they have made investment out of which they have got return. So return is now what? A benefit. So this particular item should be recorded under income and expenditure account, income side. But now we are going to prepare what? Balance sheet, right? So this particular item need to be added to this particular prize fund as it is a benefit that we are going to receive. Then next item, prizes awarded. So the fund was, this particular fund is created for the purpose of giving prize. So the out of collected amount, some of the money is given for prizes. So this particular amount is now deducted out of this particular fund. So let us see the solution for this particular problem. So what they have given first? So prepare balance sheet. Then write the format. Here all the items are not given, only some items they have given, and related to that we need to do the problem as well as we need to show how they need to be treated under accounts. So this one is the asset side. Okay, so first what they have given, see, prize fund amounting to rupees 80,000. So it should be recorded under liability side. Write down prize fund amounting to rupees 80,000. So then see, the next item is prize fund investment, which is an asset. So should be recorded on the asset side. Prize fund investment. So write down that amount 80,000. Then they have given income or benefit that is received out of investment of prize fund. So it need to be added to the prize fund. Add 8,000 plus income out of prize fund investment. So what is that amount? 8,000. So we need to add this particular amount. Now 88,000 is the total. Then another item is there, prizes awarded. So 6,000 out of this particular amount they have given for those people who won. So minus prizes awarded amounting to rupees 6,000. So deduct 6,000 from 88,000. So what is the value? Value is 82,000. Write down. So this is the way in which you need to treat these particular items. Then next, Next, let us solve this next problem. Problem number 6. Show the following information in financial statements of not-for-profit organization. So this problem is also similar to the previous problem. They'll give some items, not all the items, they'll give some items, and they'll ask how we will going to treat these particular items. So first they have given match expenses. So see here, they even have given the match fund. So they have created separate fund. If they have created separate fund means, if any expenses related to that particular fund happens or occurs, that need to be deducted from this particular fund. For example, see here only, they have created one special fund called as match fund. That means any income that they are going to get from match, maybe if they sell the tickets of match, if people come to watch those matches, at that particular time they'll collect amount. That particular money need to be added to this particular fund, correct? If they incur any expenses for match, maybe cost of maintaining that particular ground, then other expenses related to that particular match, providing refreshment, all these expenses need to be deducted. So this is a manner in which a special fund need to be treated. Okay, here they have given some items. See, match expenses. So expenses incurred for match. So this item need to be deducted from what? Match fund, right? Then donation for match fund. So some people have given donation. So they are the sponsors who gave donation. So this particular money need to be added to this particular fund, correct? Then sale of match ticket. So any money that they are going to collect out of sale of match tickets means this one is a benefit. So this need to be added. So these two items need to be added, whereas these item need to be deducted from match fund. So all these items need to be treated where? Under liability side, correct? Special fund need to be recorded under liability side. So then again they have given what will be the effect if match expenses go up by 6,000, other things remaining same. They have asked whether other things remain same. So we need to even make adjustment related to this. So let us solve this particular problem. So what we need to do now, we need to prepare the format of the balance sheet because these items are recorded under balance sheet. So write down balance sheet, liabilities, then rupees, assets, rupees, right? Now they have said there is a match fund. So where we need to record? Under liability side. So what is a match fund amount? See, the match fund amount is 8,000. So what and all the item that we need to add to this particular fund? So we need to write that first. So what and all the item need to be added? First, the donation they have received of 5,000. Add donation 5,000. Then they have collected the amount out of sale of, see, they have collected the amount out of sale of match ticket, that is 7,000. Add sale of match ticket of rupees 7,000. So add those items. So after adding those items, the total will be 20,000. Okay. So then next term they have given the match expenses of amount 16,000. Deduct match expense of 16,000. So how much is remaining now? 4,000 is the match fund balance, correct? So this is the solution for question A. So again they have given the question B, which says match expenses are now increased by 6,000, right? So let us solve that particular problem. So in same manner, B, if match expense go up by 6,000. So write down in under liability side match fund, this amount remains same, right? So they have given only this increases. That means match expenses has been now increased. So only this need to be changed. Other things remain same. Match fund 8,000 plus donation 5,000 plus sale of match tickets 7,000. The total amount is 20,000. So now match expenses has been increased, right? So earlier it was 16,000. Now they said by 6,000 it has increased. So add 6,000 to 16,000. 16,000 plus, what is the amount that one? 6,000. So now total of match expenses is 22,000. So now out of this we have got the answer as a negative value. So 2,000 minus value we have obtained. So the total of match fund is now negative figure and in debit has increased than the credit side. So balance is 2,000. This amount is charged to income and expenditure account. This is the way in which we need to solve the problems.